so beautiful. Yeah. What's a beautiful kitty? You know, I'm gonna give you a name. I think Celestia. Celeste? Tap the leaf if you like, even better. I know what to name you. Oh, you look so pretty. I'm gonna name you a, what should I name you? I'm trying to think. Diamond? Yeah, I'm gonna name you Diamonds. Hey, Diamonds. It's okay. See, I'm not touching your food. I'm not touching anything on your territory. Do you not like me over here? You can come to me. It's okay. Come on, Celeste. Come on, Diamond. Diamonder. Come on, Diamond. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Well, guys, we're going to end it here. This is another wild animal I found.